Garage Internship project is an interesting platform for exploring new ways of visualizing and understanding the data that we're working with.
The cancer research community has been really pushing the boundary on technology for how you can measure cells in a tumor. They needed technology to be able to see the data and interpret the data. This partnership with Microsoft and through this Garage Internship, the students have been able to explore how can we take HoloLens technology and use it as a window into this. These holograms, you can walk around them, you can sort of naturally interact with them, bend your head, point at things, gesture, and so on.
I really believed in the mission of this project. I mean, this is a tool to be used for cancer researchers and really rewarding experience.
The technology that we had to work with, the people that we had to work with, the experiences that we've had, they were all new to me, they were all interesting, and there were things that, they're the first time that I've ever had it, experienced it, so that's why it was pretty interesting.
HoloLens is the edge of mixed reality. You are trying to push that front forward. The best thing today will be something completely different tomorrow.
Just being able to meet with researchers and kind of figure out what the best solution for them is. Having my decisions become a real thing and have the devs kind of rely on those decisions that I'm making. Those are kind of both really important things that I've never really experienced as much before.
Compared to other internships I previously had, this one is a lot more closely knit just because we have so many interns working together.
With a typical internship, you work on something and it's like a small part of a bigger project, which is awesome. But with the Garage program, you can actually see at the end of the day exactly what you contributed and the meaningful impact it makes on the project.
We had major milestones set for us, so a feature that took a week and we haven't been able to implement. When everything came to work, we were able to show it to our sponsor or we were able to demonstrate it in front of our fellow interns. It's an opportunity to learn a lot of things. A lot of things are going to come at you really quickly. You're going to learn not only can you grow yourself as an engineer, you'll grow yourself a lot in terms of your professional network because of all the people that you're going to get to meet. So it's kind of like the complete package. Like anything you can want from an internship, this internship has it, and it does it extremely well.
The first group of interns, they sort of came on this adventure with us, trying to figure out what can we do with this data type? What are some of the technical challenges and the engineering challenges to deal with that much data? By the end of their internship, they really had this working prototype that scientists could actually start interacting with and explore data with. Now the handoff to the next team is really this, taking it to the next level and trying to refine that interaction, trying to add elements that facilitate collaboration. We could learn something pretty fundamental about cancer biology. Being a part of creating a tool that unlocks this new knowledge of how cancer cells work and interact with each other would be, extremely exciting.